Move on to physical sciences. Lots of excitement in the room. Very understandable. Let's look at physical sciences and mathematics. All right. The top shortlisted. The first honorable mention, we have a paper from a collaboration between TIPAZA and BETNA, researchers from TIPAZA and BETNA, and it's experimental investigation of new biocomposite with low cost for thermal insulation. So well done to them for this honorable mention. Next one up, parabolic true solar thermal power plant potential and projects development in Algeria. This is a paper from researchers at the University of Qsentina. Well done to them for this honorable mention. Design and realization of novel sun tracking system with absorber displacement for parabolic trough collectors. Collaborations between 3 universities, Ghardaya, Algiers, and BETNA. Very well done to them for this honorable mention. A review of studies on central receiver solar thermal power plants. Researchers from the University of Algiers. Well done to them for this honorable mention. And finally, in this case, I should mention we had a top 6 rather than top 5 in this category. So we have 5 honorable mentions and 1 winner. The 5th honorable mention is a paper entitled Polypyrrole Covered MnO2 as Electrode Material for Supercapacitor. And this is from the University of Stayf. Well done to them for this honorable mention. And so we come to the winner. The top paper for this year, so the winner of the 2014 Algerian Paper of the Year Awards in Physical Science and Mathematics is, suspense, new co-spray way to synthesize high quality, what's that? Zinc sulfide films. This is from the universities of Jijel, Bjaya, Algiers, and Constantine. Collaboration between 4 universities. Very well done for this win to them. We have online Dr. Yazid Bousnid, the first author. Dr. Yazid Bousnid, Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Bousnid. You are the winner of the 2014 Algerian Paper of the Year Award in Physical Sciences and Mathematics. Congratulations.
Thanks a lot, thanks.
Mabrouk Ali, do you have anything to say about this one? How do you feel? ما هو شعورك؟ You didn't understand me very well. وشنو هو شعورك بهذا الفوز تاع بجائزة أحسن منشورة علمية جزائرية في العلوم الفيزيائية والرياضيات؟ I should speak in English, shall I? How do you feel about this win, Dr. Bousnid? Okay, after Dr. Rehani, you're gonna give us a short comment on this winning paper. مبروك عليك one more time.
مبروك على الدكتور يزيد بوزنيد. Just few comments. يعني وش I think وش عجبنا في البيبر هذه، نهضر بالعربية معليش، أنه الحاجة الأولى شوفوا عدد الجامعات يعني اللي اشتركت في البحث هذا، ماشي جامعة واحدة، it's collaborative work. جيجل، Algeria, بجاية، قسنطينة، يعني شغل everyone got together to produce something which is quite novel and interesting. وش داروا في البيبر هذا شغل new method of synthesizing a film. This film is called zinc sulfide. It's quite an important film. It's used in many solar cells. And it has interesting functional properties to increase the the output from the solar cell itself, and it can be used as for different solar cells. It's used in different ways. So it can be a buffer, it can be an IR coating, and so forth. But what they have done is that they synthesized this material using a new technique, which is called the spray method, where they actually mix the reactant while they are in the vapor phase, and then deposited them on the substrate. الحاجة الكومنت اللي عندي لهنا هو انه احنا مثلا في الجزائر ولا في الدول النامية هذه الاشياء صعبة شوية باش تقدر تسينثسايز، يعني تدير هذه الماتيريالز هذه. مثلا في الطرق تاعي كنت نهضر على solar multi-junction solar cells. The way you build these layers is very extremely complicated, and you need machines, highly sophisticated machines to do that. But I can see that in Algeria we are starting to develop, some of that capability, starting from this example, which is zinc sulfide. And the other thing they've done is a nice study of its properties. So they looked at, once they grew the material, once they synthesized the material, they looked at the properties, its crystalline properties using X-rays. They looked at the optical properties of the material, the band gap. They determined the band gap. So they did a really thorough analysis of the quality of the material they achieved using this new spray method. So I congratulate them for the win and also for the analysis in the paper. Right.
Thank you.